Hello, you're tuning in to What the FFF, a show inspired by the FabFitFun community, where we sit down with experts from our team, founders, and other fun guests to chat about all things beauty, fashion, fitness, home, and wellness. I'm Tasha, I'm the Director of Brand Marketing at FabFitFun, and today I am joined by Kara.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. I'm Kara. I am one of our fashion and fitness buyers here at FabFitFun, and I'm so excited to talk about customization too.
Reminder that if you want a closer look at the products that we're talking about, make sure that you tune in on our YouTube. And if you're not a member yet, we will have a special code for you at the end of the show. So let's start talking about these products.
Yes.
First up, we love this brand. We have the Funboy towel in pink.
In pink. I mean, we are so obsessed with Funboy, and we are super excited to be offering you a towel that is 100% cotton.
Big deal.
We hear you, we know you want it, and we're giving it to you.
Microfiber towels are great because they don't hold on to the sand.
Yes, exactly.
But a 100% cotton towel is gonna absorb the water a little bit better.
Yes, so this is just like big, fluffy, and pink.
It's gonna match back to that inflatable float.
Yes, in customization 3.
Yes.
Super cute.
Next, we have another item that's perfect for summer, the Volition Getaway Glow Gradual Tan Firming Body Moisturizer.
Yes, and this was developed by Lindsay Arnold. Are you familiar with her?
She's from Dancing with the Stars.
She is from Dancing with the Stars. She is a mom. I am also a mom, so I'm just like obsessed with her. I cyber stalk her all the time. She has like 2 little girls. So this was actually created kind of like with them in mind because it's a 3-in-1 body moisturizer, self-tanner, and stretch mark treatment.
That's incredible. I love that this is like skincare combined with tanning. You don't see that very often. Normally tanning products are really drying.
Right.
This is not. This is gonna be moisturizing, and because it's a gradual tan, you're not at risk for, you know, turning into tan mom all of a sudden. If you mess it up, you're not gonna get giant streaks or anything like that.
No streak mom.
No, it's gonna gradually build into that beautiful tan.
Yes.
So very non-intimidating if you're not great at self-tanning quite yet.
Totally, yes.
We also have the Volition Getaway Glow Gradual Tan Firming Facial Serum.
The serum, so this is kind of like her second product when she had her second baby.
So cute.
It's just so cute. I just love the story. So this is specifically for your face, which I feel like is amazing because you can use the moisturizer for like, you know, your body and your disgusting feet, but then you can put like something really nice on your face.
Yeah, you don't want to be using the same product on your toes that you're using on your face.
Yeah, no, so this is something different. And it also has grapeseed in it along with all the other ingredients with the body moisturizer, so
yeah,
I love it.
If you have dry spots on your face, that's what I'm always concerned about when I'm using a self-tanner, is that it's gonna hold on to those dry spots and make them darker.
Yeah.
This is gonna be a serum, it's gradual, so it's gonna slowly build up that tan on your face, and you're not just all of a sudden gonna look like an Oompa Loompa. No, we don't want that. Next, we have a hair care item.
Yes.
This is from Amika. This is the Mirrorball shampoo and conditioner.
We love a duo. So what's really cool about this is that it's like a lightweight moisturizer boost for your hair. It makes it really shiny. It removes pollution buildup. So there are a lot of really amazing things in this little bottle.
This actually has one of my all-time favorite ingredients in it, which is red wine.
There is wine in this.
There is wine extract in
this.
this. So that's gonna be where you're getting those antioxidants for your hair.
You can't drink this.
Oh,
I'm
sorry. Don't drink
Don't
this.
drink this.
Don't drink this. Legal
No.
is coming after us as we speak. They're knocking down the doors.
No, yeah, don't drink it.
But it does have amazing ingredients.
Yes, no, there's also grape leaf, raspberry, and magnolia.
It smells so, so good. I love the blue one. I love the
the dream.
The blue Amika. This is gonna give you that same silkiness. Oh my gosh. This product has made my hair feel more silky than any other product.
You're glowing.
Thank you.
She's glowing.
Thank you. Moving on to something for the jewelry lovers,
Yes.
which I am one. Next is the BYCHARI Coco Lariat. I'm actually wearing it right now.
We love this brand. They have a lot of like effortless, unique, and modern pieces. So we were really excited to bring like a little freshwater pearl. We've never done this type of style before. There's an adjustable closure on it. So we're just really excited to bring this to Bouqs.
I love a lariat because it drops down a little bit lower and it comes down to like this little point right here.
Yeah.
Versus your other necklaces are gonna be more rounded and they can sit at the top. So it's really great for layering. I know that, you know, I've always loved pearls, but I no longer wanna wear like the long string of pearls with my business casual going to the club.
Right.
Okay,
No.
so now I want to be wearing something dainty and still have that pearl, and these are actual freshwater pearls.
They are. Yeah, this is the pearl update that you have
been waiting for.
Yes, exactly.
Yes, this is the Bouqs Vase.
We're obsessed.
Oh my gosh. And
it's so cute.
Wait for the full
yeah,
bouquet.
Let's see it with the flowers, guys. Oh my gosh.
Gorgeous.
Look at this vase. We partnered with the Bouqs, which is like a local floral company in LA. So we did this custom design to create this like beautiful green ceramic vase. Perfect for Mother's Day.
I think the color is so pretty. It's gonna go beautifully with any floral arrangement that you have. It's gonna bring out those greens, of course, but it's in this lighter mint color. And Mother's Day is coming.
Yes.
You can pick one for you, one for your mom, and give it as a gift, or the mother figure in your life. I think it's so pretty. And I also love that it has this wider neck at the top, because some vases are really tight at the top and then they squeeze your bouquet like that.
Yeah, we're not gonna strangle her.
No.
She's so nice.
No. Okay, next is something for the travel lovers. This is the Lost and Wander Passport Wallet.
Yes, so we are super excited to be collabing with Lost and Wander. They're an apparel line, but they're really focused on like travel, like all of their collections are very like travel based. So we thought it'd be so cool to do a collab with them on a passport wallet. It just made sense.
It's so cute, and it has all these pockets in here. I know that I like to keep my tickets and things like that in my head. I think I'm going to someday scrapbook them. I'm not going to scrapbook them.
Never.
Yeah, spoiler alert, not gonna happen. No. But I like to keep them for the memes, you know?
Yeah.
And then you can put your passport in, you could fit it here, or you could put each of the two sides so that it's open when you open this up. This is really great for also if you're traveling internationally. You want to keep your passport on you as you're traveling, but you might not want to bring a backpack out, especially if you're in an area with like a lot of pickpockets or something.
Right.
And so with this, you can keep it in your hand with you, and if they're trying to pickpocket you, you just
hit them.
You just hit them. Yeah,
Legal.
it could be used as a weapon, but legal won't let us say
let's not
that,
do that. It's also, you can take the little strap off to have it just as like a little wallet too.
Yes, perfect.
Just want to say that.
Yeah,
it's multi-purpose.
And then you could put this in a backpack if you also have that as well.
This is amazing. We love this.
Also from Lost and Wander, we have the Frequent Flyer Travel Pillow.
Yes, so to kind of like tie in the whole travel story, we really wanted to do a neck pillow. So this was a print that we worked on with them together, which is super exciting. It's so comfortable. It's so silky, so like nice on your face.
And your hair.
And your hair. And the best part is that you can take it off and like wash it after like a disgusting travel day.
Which I normally just will throw away a travel pillow and just buy a new one. I don't want to keep doing that.
No, this one's too cute to throw away.
No, too cute to throw away. Yeah. Also, this feels very like memory foam. And
it's gushy.
And you know, I gotta say, there have been a number of times that I've woken up dangerously close to sleeping on the man next to me on the flight. No more of that. We have our own travel pillow now.
Yeah, it's a barrier.
It is a barrier.
It's for safety.
And this is also perfect because you can clip it onto your bag and take it wherever you're gonna go. So tell us, where are you going this summer? We wanna know.
Yes.
Thank you so much for tuning in. That code that I mentioned in the beginning of the show is Summer Love. There are so many great options in this customization. Have fun customizing your box, and we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.